to another episode of That History Teacher with me, Mr. Science. Today what we're going to be doing is talking about surface area of things like prisms. Now, we made a prism the other day for one of our classes, so if you would like to do some of the math on here just to make sure you get which side is which, feel free to. If you would rather just follow along with me though, that's more than okay. So, our rules are pretty basic for finding surface area. We've got 3 of them. First, break it down. Okay, this is typically when I would do some kind of really weird dance in front of you all at school, but I'm going to save you that pain online, at least for now. So we're going to break it down into a front and back, because those are the same size shapes, a top and bottom, because those are going to be matching shapes as well, and then also a left and a right side, because those will match as well in our shape. So we need to find the area of each of those shapes. We're lucky they happen to be in pairs. In fact, all of the rectangular prisms, they will be in pairs, so no worries about that. So our front and back, 6 times 5. That's easy. We plug it into our formula. By the way, I went ahead and I wrote the formula for each of them because they're all rectangles, base times height. So I've got it on there. So 5 times 6 is our first one. 5 times 6 is 30. Done. Check it off. We got the first area figured out. We need the top and the bottom. Now pay attention to the numbers. Okay, on this one I have it labeled 7 and 5, so we already have it there. We're just looking at this piece up here. 7 times 5 is what I plug into my formula. Oops. There we go. 7 times 5 is 35. So I'll just write that there. Second one, done. We are almost done with step 2. This is nice. And now we have the left and the right side. Pay attention, because sides are sides. Sometimes people want to throw the base in there. No, use the sides that were given. So I have a 6 and a 7. That's the side. So I'm going to use that. 6 times 7 equals 42. There we go. We've now finished step 2. Find the area of each side. Now we're on to step 3, which is simply add. We can add. Punch it into your calculator, but be careful, because we have to make sure we add each side. Okay? We found the area of the front and the area of the back, but we only wrote one. Okay? The front and the back are both 30. So you can either just add 30 twice on your calculator, or you can hit multiply by 2. And I'm going to do the multiply by 2 thing for now. But again, if you want to put just 30 plus 30 plus 35 plus 35 plus 42 plus 42 in your calculator, you'll get the same answer, or you should get the same answer. Okay? And again, it's times 2 because there's the front and the back. There's the top and the bottom. There's the left and the right side. Okay? So that's why. Sometimes that step can get a little confusing. If you're not sure, just label them all individually. Okay, 30 times 20 is 60. 35 times 2, 70. 42 times 2, 84. We're on the last one. Add them all. That's easy. 60 plus 70 is 130. 130 plus 84 should be 214. So our answer would be 214 units squared, whatever the units are that we had chosen. Okay? Maybe inches, feet, doesn't matter. So, again, to recap, make sure you break it down into the different sides, then find the area of those individual sides, which, hey, this first part, it's all going to be rectangular prisms. They're all rectangles, base times height. It's easy. So plug those in, and then add all of the areas. And make sure when you're adding, you're accounting for both pairs, the front and the back, the top and the bottom, the left and the right. Okay? Make sure you do that. If you do, everything should be easy for you. If you make a mistake, go back and see if you forgot to add one of the sides twice where you were supposed to. And if that still doesn't work, please make sure that you're checking the right numbers you use to multiply. This is a great time to make sure you have everything written out, just like I do. Front and back, top, bottom, left, right. Okay? And put your work briefly down there, at least until you get better at it. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps. If If you're not sure, by all means, send me a message. I'd love to help you still, okay? And I will try to get another one of these made for the surface area of a triangular prism. All right, thanks guys.